Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Bloodstained Ritual of the Night game crashing or crashing at startup, black screen, lagging, freezing issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next method is to update graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Epic Games and then go to the library section. Now here you have to select the game, click on the three dot icon and after that click on manage. Now in the launch option you have to enable it and then you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working now. If it doesn't resolve the issue, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. The next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to the file explorer, go to the Epic Games. Now open the game application, select the game application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't resolve, uncheck all of these, click on apply and OK and then move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, Epic Games users, go to Epic Games, select your game in the library section, click on the three dot icon, click on manage and here you can see verify option. You simply need to click on verify option and you have to wait for some time unless the game files are verified. Once the game files are verified, now try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. If it's not added, don't worry, click on allow another app. Now click on browse, then go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, then click on OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here you have to search for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. You simply have to select them, right click on it, click on end task. This will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadowplay or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issue. So somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of the particular program or disable it to play the game hassle free. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to download the Visual C++ files. Once it's downloaded, you have to open it. After opening, you will get a repair or install option. Whatever you get, you simply need to click on repair or install option and wait for some time unless you get setup successful message. Then close this. After that, restart your PC once. After restarting, again log into the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings and click on advanced, then click on change Now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and then in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to run game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application. After that, after selecting the game application, add it to the list. Once the game is added, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After that, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Bloodstained Rituals of the Night game. So for that, go to the Epic Games, under library section, select your game, click on the three dot icon, click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once your PC restarts, launch Epic Games and reinstall Bloodstained Rituals of the Night game once again, and click on the play button to check whether it's working now. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.